Hey all, welcome to my channel Balakrishna Quasar, a place to enhance your knowledge. This is a question that has surprised the greatest brains on this earth, from the ancient civilization to the modern technology. And there are still people dying to know the answer for this question. Which is first, a chicken or an egg? The question is so complex when you try to understand, going deep for the answer. Rather than thinking and solving this puzzle, which is first, a chicken or an egg, firstly, you need to understand the creation from its origin. All multicellular organisms started evolving before 2 billion years ago from the single-celled organisms. It is very clear that all organisms that exist today have evolved from the single cell or unicellular organisms. Hence, according to the evolutionary theory, the cocks and hens are transformation of its predecessors of the hen family. With a small change in the DNA mutations of the evolutionary crossbreeding, then hens started laying eggs and giving birth to their young ones. Evolutionary theory very clearly states that the chickens are the multicellular organisms that were evolved, and then the egg came from the family and species of hen and cock are as part of reproduction. Let's take an assumption that the chicken is first. Research proved that the protein essential for the formation of chicken egg is scientifically named as OV17, that is available only in the chicken ovaries. Without this, chicken egg shell cannot be formed. Hence, it can be clearly understood that the multicellular organism especially, came first and then the egg. Now let's take an assumption that the egg is first, then we need to understand the protein OV17, which is the reason for the egg cell formation, is made up of completely the dead cells, which will never have a chance to multiply themselves. Hence, the first egg should have come from the organism itself. Here the hen or a chicken. Now, if you see how the organism forms from the chicken egg, it also starts from a single-celled organism developing to a multi-celled, multi-organ named chicken. Let's see how the chicken is formed inside the egg shell. First phase starts from a single cell forming into a tissue. The first organ, heart, is formed, after which it develops the blood vessels. From this stage, the limb development begins with the wing and leg buds. Eyes and brain develop slowly, and then forelimbs. Elbow and knee part starts developing inside the shell. Beak development begins and continues. Next to this, the feather development begins and multi-celled organism chicken's mouth opens. Claw development and finger development starts inside the shell. Then the tail feather appears and scale starts developing after this. Then the head turns towards the large end of the egg. Gut draws into the abdomen, developing the feathers over the body. Head tucks between the legs, and then the final stage appears to be the internal pip and the external pip, hatching a new multi-celled organism called as chicken. When you start questioning which came first, an egg or a hen, then please remember that the organism should exist before laying an egg. An organism can evolve from a single-celled organism to a multi-celled multi-organism and a complete organism. But an egg shell, which is made up of just the dead protein on the outer shell, will never exist by chance. In simple to this logical cut down, one can clearly come to the conclusion that the chicken is the first, and because of breeding with another organism like a prototype chicken, an egg evolved as a part of reproduction process. So my conclusion is chicken came first. So please comment which one do you think is the first, a chicken or an egg, with a simple logical sentence. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share the video with your friends, and we'll see you guys next time with the next amazing video. This is your Balakrishna Quasar signing off, and thank you.